Hey everyone, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today we're going to be exploring iOS 18, and I'm going to show you how you can hide any app from your home screen. So right now you're looking at my home screen, and you can see that one app that I have on there is YouTube, and sometimes I share this phone with my kids, and I just don't want them to access YouTube. So there is a way that you can hide that app off of your home screen. So here's what you do. You just take the app that you want to hide and you press that down hard to bring up this second submenu. And then from here, what we're going to do is to choose this option that says Require Face ID. There's a couple different options here. I'm going to choose this option that says Hide and Require Face ID. Okay, so here is some information that you can see that the app will be obscured on your home screen in the library. It's just going to have that outline around it. You will also not get any notifications or alerts coming from that app. It's going to be on your phone, but it's essentially going to be hidden. So I'm just going to select Hide App, and that app is gone. Now, it may seem like that app is deleted off your phone, but it's still actually there. And here's how you access it. If you swipe all the way left to your last screen, you'll see your app library. And then you'll notice that there is a section right over here that says Hidden, so I can tap that to open. Now it is going to require my Face ID. I don't know if you saw it at the top of the phone, but it did. It scanned my face, and as soon as it sees my face, it is going to open up Face ID. From here, I can tap on YouTube and open it like I normally do. So that's one way that you can access that app if the app is hidden. Now the question then becomes, what happens if I want to get that app back? Well, you just follow the same instructions, swipe all the way left to your app library, scroll all the way down, you'll unlock those hidden apps, and then again, you just press that app, and this time what we're going to do is select the option right over here that says Don't Require Face ID. Okay, it just, again, took my Face ID, and now that app should be back on my home screen. Right over there, there's that app. So it's that easy for you to hide or unhide an app using iOS 18. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment area below. And with that, thank you for watching and have a great day.